Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you the secret storage compartment for your cord on your Ninja blender. But before I get started, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you get all the latest and greatest updates. So I've had my Ninja blender. In fact, I have like two of them. I use one here, and we have one that we keep up at camp so we can make drinks up there and stuff. So I have two of these Ninja blenders. I even did a review on it. And I'm such a meatball, I never noticed that there's a storage compartment in the blender for your cord. So for like 2 years, I've been saying, geez, I wish there was a way to ravel up this cord. I've been raveling it all around the blender. I've been putting it in our cupboards. I've been putting it under the sink. I've been leaving it on the counter with the cord dangling out. So the other day, my wife is cleaning the blender and she goes, hey, did you notice that there's a storage compartment in the blender? And of course I was like, what the heck are you talking about? So I'll show you where it is so you don't end up having this dangly cord like all over the place and hanging around in any way like I've had for a while. So let's go check this thing out. So the storage compartment is right in the back. So there's a little hole right here, and hopefully there's enough light that you can see. Yeah, you can see it pretty good. So all you need to do is you need to just take your cord and you can push it right in the hole, and it'll all fit in there. Just kind of worm it in. It kind of just like ravels up in there. There's no like, you know what they should do? They should put like a ravel thing in there that you pull and it ravels it back up, like some vacuums have. Hey, there's an idea for you. So there, it'll fit on. All in there, you might have to like work with it a little bit. But there you go. It's all nice and tucked away. And now you can put it like on your counter. And you don't have a cord that's all over the place. So if you're looking for a blender with the storage compartment in it, this one has one. So hopefully you didn't have your blender for a couple of years like I have. And then you finally see this video and figure out that you have one. So if you like the video, remember to sub the channel. That way you'll get all the latest and greatest uploads. And thanks for watching.